destination is on the right.
All right, guys. Meet Larry, guys. That's my friend. He's helping me today. He wants to help, and yeah, this is the new bouncer right here. We're gonna go ahead and set it up. All right. So, you ready, Larry?
Yeah, gotcha.
Ready. All right, hold on. All right. Let's do it. Let's bring this box down. Oh, you got it. Hold on. There you go. All right. Let's do it. So I got Larry laying down the tarp. I'm gonna go get the stakes. Here's the bouncer. Let's go get the stakes. Stakes and that's it. They're not using wood on this one. There you go. Unboxing the bouncer. New bouncer. Comes with the oh, this one comes with some nice, I think these are long stakes. Let me see. They gave me some good steaks this time. How you open this? See if you can open it, Larry. Those some long steaks, right?
Yep.
The other ones, they ain't giving me no long steaks. Yep. Oh no, they're the same. Same steaks.
Yeah.
That's fine, Larry. Just put them inside. All right. I thought they were gonna be the long steaks, but it's all cool. All right, we're gonna get the bouncer out now. Go to blower, and they're not using. Okay, they go to sprinkler right here. That's the big blower, and here's the bouncer. All right. Is it heavy? It is.
Yeah, no.
Let me help him out, guys. All right, so Larry's gonna open up the bouncer. This one came with a nice little bag.
And it's got a tight knot in it too.
Most of the bouncers they give me, they'll give me a little thin bag. This one is real nice little thick one.
Yeah, I can get this
Storage bag. Let's see.
Yeah, it's tight knot. I got it. I just need. Yeah, there you go.
There you go. You got it. All right, that's the man right here, guys. All right, just throw it on the tarp. Throw it in the tarp. That's it. There you go. Coming out. There you go. Nice little bouncer, but it's gonna get big in a minute. I'm gonna throw it right here. There you go. It's not okay. And it's not really hard. This bouncer is not hard, Larry. Okay. They're really easy to set up. All right. There you go. There go the straps. Oh, it came with some nice straps. They really hooked me up this time. They hooked me up. I like this straps. There you go. I like this one. There you go. I'm gonna take these straps out. Hold on. Alright, just put this bouncer, Larry, going this way, like this. Yeah. Yeah, like that. There you go. He gonna get the hang of it, guys. Okay. It's not hard. The other guy that used to help me, but he moved out of town. I had he was 16 or 17, and I didn't have to tell him what to do. He got on it. He loved the job. All right. Brand new slide right here, guys. There you go. And we got it the right way. That's the right way. Yep, there you go, another ninja. That's another ninja. This right here is gonna be my third already. Let me close this right here. This is pretty cool. My other ones, they don't have a drain right here. This one got the drain right here. That's pretty cool. This must be like a new design. This is pretty cool. They huh. We got it the wrong way, Larry. I think.
I think we can get it the wrong way.
No, it's right. It's right. This almost looked like if it was the entrance, but I didn't. That was kind of weird. They had the tubes and the entrance right here. Yeah. This is the right way. The entrance is over there. All right. Now let's get the blower out. If you want to, you can open the blower, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and kind of adjust it. Oh, you got it. Strong man right here, guys. Oh, okay. Strong man. Don't play with him. There you go. Ready to go to work. All right, I like that. I like that, guys. He motivated. All right. So here's the slide.
I can't have styrofoam.
You said what?
And she would do is make me throw up.
Oh, for real?
Yes, Sam, I gotta cut my ears up.
Now this is the only downside. They gave me a nice little bouncer.
I'll pour you
Okay.
there. You say what you gotta say?
Check this out. They gave me a small blower, man.
Yeah. Whew.
Small blower.
Yeah. That's a good looking blower there. It is.
Wait till you see the other blowers. They're more commercial type. This look, I ain't never seen a small blower like this.
Yeah.
For a commercial unit. It's all cool. Let me call the guy and see if he got the extension cord. He said he was gonna let us borrow an extension cord, so I won't have to use mine. All right. So that sucks, man. Look at that blower. Everything was fine except this right here. Wow. All right. So we're gonna crank it up. This is a pretty funny blower, guys.
It's not coming on.
It's not coming on. Where's the switch? Oh, it is. Oh, he did say that that outlet don't have light. So we're gonna have to run this extension cord all the way to the garage. All right. Yeah, I forgot about that. The owner said that this outlet right here don't have no light, so we're gonna take it to the back. All right. Guys, that's nice. That's a nice tent. They're gonna have a big party today, guys. There you go. It's coming on. All we have to do now, guys, is we're gonna let it go up, then we're gonna stake it up, and then we're gonna go to the next location. All right. Like I was telling Larry, we don't have to clean this one because it's a brand new unit. Everything's already clean and sanitized. All right. How you like the job, man?
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
See, that's what I tell everybody. Most people, you know, they find an excuse not to go to work because of the sun. But I mean, all you have to do is ignore the sun. You know, that's all you have to do.
Like have a head on for it.
Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, like I said, we don't have to clean this one. It's already clean. It's brand new unit. Yeah, and it smells brand new. The only downside I didn't like, let me show you guys. Everything, I like everything. I like everything about this bouncer except two things. These tubes are very long. They're very long. It's not necessary to be that long. I don't know why they made it too long. And the blower. I ain't never seen a baby blower. And you see how it's taking too long to air it up? Normally with the big blowers, it don't take that long to air it up. But it's all cool. We're gonna just use this one. I like the straps though. Oh yeah. We might have to push it back a little bit. All right, I'm gonna cut the camera, guys. We're gonna push this bouncer a little bit back. All right. The guy's staking it up. As you can see, Larry's staking it up. Let me move that. Let me move this wire right here. There you go.
Yeah. You gonna pull it back a little more?
Yeah, a little bit more. Pull it back a little bit more. There you go.
I'll get it. Now it works. Is that good?
Yeah. All right, just hit it with the hammer so it'll go all the way in. We got one more. One right here. All right.
I see something there. Use the hammer, okay.
Yeah. All right. That's it. There you go. Brand new Ninja. This one kind of looks bootleg to me, guys, to be honest, guys. the way it's designed is different from the other ones. This one is more squarish. The pool is a little bit thicker, a little bit fatter. But it's nice though, it's nice. I just don't like the blower. I'm gonna keep saying it, I don't like the blower. And those tubes that are too long. That's it. All right, we're gonna put everything back up and we're gonna roll out. All right. Guys, so I just want to double check my work. Everything's fine. Oh, that's a big exit right there. That one got a big exit. But yeah, everything's tied good. And we're finna roll out. All right. On to the next one, guys. Everything's already good right here. Let's go. I like it though. Except that. I'm gonna keep saying like I would say. I don't like that blower. That's it. Let's go. All right, guys. We're finna go to the next one. Let's go. Brand new Ninja. This is the third one. All right. So Larry's doing a good job. Let me fix this extension cord. All right. Oh, I got it. Okay. There you go, guys. Let's go. On to the next one, guys. Let's do it. You ready there? Roll, man. Let's go get this money, man. Finna tie this box and tie this dolly. All right.